Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to learn something very important, which is the million-dollar question. Why should I visit a dentist every 6 months, or should I even visit or no? How do I prevent dental problems? These are all things that come to everybody's mind. So let's understand this question as to why is it important for you to visit a dentist every 6 months. Now, the focus is always in disease prevention because prevention is the best form of cure. The more healthier you can stay, the more happier you will be and the less money you will spend. There is a huge misconception that people have that dental problems or dental treatments are expensive. Well, that's truly not the case. The only reason why people feel so is because you arrive too late. So dental treatment by itself will become very expensive because you have come at an end stage of treatment. That is when it becomes very invasive. That is when it also becomes very intrusive and expensive. So the reason why you must visit a dentist every 6 months is for the dentist to make sure that he's able to catch the dental problems as early as possible. And you will be able to recognize, is there a defect in your home oral care regime? Are you doing your brushing well? Are you doing your flossing well? Are you doing your home oral care regimen perfectly well? And this runs in families because habits of behavior is always transmitted from one generation to another. And that is why it is very important that you make a dental practice a dental home. Make sure that the entire family visits a particular dentist and learns preventive methods, because more than 95 problems of dentistry can be prevented. It is only the 5% of which becomes, aggravated, and that is where you need invasive therapies, and that is more expensive and that is more extensive. So you will also need to understand this, that regular checks at dentists will allow you to prevent formation of dental plaque and then the result which happens into hard substance on your teeth, which is called caliculus. And so regular visits to dentists will ensure that these deposits which are formed can be taken off earlier and then will not cause any further gum problems or tooth issues. And so it is very imperative that you ensure that you learn preventive measures and visit a dentist as early as possible through your disease pattern, and also make sure that you have a regular follow-up routine with your dentist every 6 months, because it's not just from an oral health perspective, but most importantly, it is from a behavioral perspective, because what you learn as early as possible will continue to live with you for the rest of your life. And secondly, oral health has a huge impact on your general health. So cardiac issues, diabetes, women delivering low birth weight and preterm babies, bone issues, renal issues, all of these things, including certain cardiac conditions, can be prevented if you have good oral hygiene. And not to forget, since this is the time of COVID, because oral hygiene has an impact on your respiratory health. So your lung health is also very importantly taken care if you have good oral hygiene. So don't miss visiting a dentist every 6 months. Get your routine regular cleanings and checkups done and prevent not just dental problems, but also health issues. And most importantly, don't spend a lot on your dental issues, because prevention is less expensive and less extensive. Thank you so much.